Can you just cash out your stocks on Wealthsimple? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about. Can you just cash out your stocks on Wealthsimple? I know that this can be a confusing question, especially if you're new to investing. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. Before we get into the details, let me ask you a question. What would you do if you needed to cash out your stocks? Would you know how to do it? Would you know what the tax implications are? If you're not sure, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to cover the following topics. What is Wealthsimple? How to cash out your stocks on Wealthsimple. The tax implications of cashing out your stocks. When it makes sense to cash out your stocks. What is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of investment products and services, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, and mutual funds. Wealthsimple is a great option for people who are new to investing or who are looking for a simple and affordable way to invest their money. How to cash out your stocks on Wealthsimple. Cashing out your stocks on Wealthsimple is easy. Here are the steps. Log in to your Wealthsimple account. Click on the Portfolio tab. Select the stocks that you want to cash out. Click on the Sell button. Enter the number of shares that you want to sell. Click on the Confirm button. Once you have confirmed your sale, your stocks will be sold and the proceeds will be deposited into your Wealthsimple account. You can then withdraw the money from your account or use it to invest in other assets. The tax implications of cashing out your stocks. When you cash out your stocks, you will be subject to capital gains tax. Capital gains tax is a tax on the profit that you make from the sale of an asset. The amount of capital gains tax that you pay will depend on your income and the length of time that you held the stocks. If you held the stocks for less than a year, you will pay capital gains tax at your marginal income tax rate. If you held the stocks for more than a year, you will pay capital gains tax at a lower rate. When it makes sense to cash out your stocks. There are a number of reasons why you might want to cash out your stocks. Some of the most common reasons include to pay for a major expense, such as a down payment on a house or tuition for college. To rebalance your portfolio. To take advantage of a market opportunity. It is important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before cashing out your stocks. Cashing out your stocks on Wealthsimple is a simple process. However, it is important to be aware of the tax implications before you do so. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Wealthsimple, please click on the link below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time. You can also cash out your stocks by transferring them to another brokerage account. If you are selling a large number of stocks, it is important to do so over a period of time to avoid triggering a large capital gains tax bill. You can use a tax loss selling strategy to offset capital gains from other investments. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.